weather is hot, so many body used to cold thing, something like air conditioner or fan. That's why people like to come to inside. Thus, people want to go to the restaurant. Now I can talk about 3 types of restaurants. That's a good idea for today. First is Hanju's Town. I picked this restaurant because of the food. In Hanju's Town, we have lots of food, but I can recommend Hanju's Town because the taste is good. Also, this menu is signature, so I think this menu is delicious to me. The Hanju's Town is near my house, so I can pick this for the lesson. And the service is nice, and the cook's precious cheese tastes for me too. So let's try some. Second, Goban. In this place we can eat a lot of meat. One is a meat shop, so the meat is good. I think this place has a good cleanliness. Also, the food is really tasty. I like meat, so the meat shop is good for me. That's why I picked the meat shop. I recommend the group both. That's because these have a lot of meat to eat, and I get this meat for dinner. Also, the people are a lot of dinner. I knew about 3 or 4 months ago, but the coupon has fresh side dish and meat, like kimchi. This place is chicken and burger shop. This place is good place because the chicken is yummy. Thus, I go there at night with my dad. That's because I'm hungry. I eat the chicken and burger, and I recommend all of that because I think it's really tasty. So I go there many times and eat all. This place is a good place, I think. The quality is nice to eat. In the end, the 3 restaurants were delicious and tasty to me. Then the pro and its difference. So that's point for us. I can recommend this great place when you go to the Pension Academy Street. Thanks for watching.